Welcome to 5 cheesy ground beef dinners you need to try. Prepare yourself for a culinary journey filled with cheesy goodness and savory delights. Hey food lovers, it's your boy Jimmy, and today we're diving into some epic cheesy ground beef recipes. We're talking about the ultimate comfort food, cheesy ground beef. Not just one, but 5 incredible recipes that will blow your taste buds away. From cheesy ground beef hamburger steaks to moussaka that will make you dance with joy, broccoli ground beef braids that look like they belong in a gourmet magazine, angel ground beef casserole that's simply divine, and cheesy ground beef tamales that bring the heat. Get ready to elevate your dinner game with these mouth-watering recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious food adventures. Let's get cooking. Alright, first up, we're tackling a classic cheesy ground beef hamburger steaks. For this bad boy, you're gonna need 2 pounds of ground beef because we don't mess around here. Grab yourself a big old bowl and toss that beef in. Add a cup of breadcrumbs, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 egg, and your favorite seasonings. Mix it all up and shape those patties nice and thick, about 1.5 inches each. Heat up a skillet with some oil, and once it's smoking hot, carefully place those patties in there. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes per side. While the patties are cooking, melt some butter in another pan, saute sliced mushrooms until golden brown, sprinkle in some flour, and whisk in beef broth for a creamy gravy. Season with salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. Smother the cooked patties in the gravy, sprinkle extra cheddar cheese, and serve with mashed potatoes. Next up, we're traveling to Greece with this incredible cheesy ground beef moussaka. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Brown 1 pound of ground beef in olive oil. Add diced onion, minced garlic, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, dried oregano, salt, pepper, and a pinch of cinnamon. Let it simmer. Slice eggplants into rounds, brush with olive oil, and grill until golden brown. Whisk together eggs, milk, grated Parmesan cheese, and nutmeg for the topping. In a greased baking dish, layer meat sauce and eggplant slices, ending with eggplant. Pour the cheesy mixture over the top, sprinkle extra Parmesan, and bake for 45 minutes until golden brown and bubbly. Let it cool before serving. Cheesy broccoli ground beef braids, the prettiest and tastiest way to eat your veggies. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Brown 1 pound of ground beef, drain excess grease. In a bowl, combine 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup cooked broccoli florets, 1 cup ricotta cheese, and Italian seasonings. Mix well. Roll out crescent roll dough on a baking sheet, pinch seams to create a rectangle. Spread the cheesy broccoli mixture evenly, leaving a border. Cut dough on either side into strips, fold top and bottom edges over filling, and braid the strips. Brush with melted butter, sprinkle garlic powder and Italian seasoning. Bake for 20-25 minutes until golden brown and bubbly. Let it cool slightly before slicing and serving. Angel ground beef casserole. So good it's heavenly. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Brown 1 pound of ground beef, drain excess grease. In a bowl, combine 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of sour cream, and seasonings. Mix until smooth. In a greased 9x13-inch baking dish, layer cooked egg noodles, half the meat mixture, half the creamy sauce, and shredded cheddar cheese. Repeat layers, ending with cheese. Cover with foil and bake for 30 minutes. Remove foil and bake for an additional 15 minutes until cheese is melted and bubbly. Let it cool before serving. Cheesy ground beef and cheese tamales spice up your life. Soak corn husks in hot water for 30 minutes. Brown 1 pound of ground beef, drain excess grease. In a separate pan, saute diced onion and minced garlic, add diced tomatoes and green chilies, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. Simmer for 10 minutes. Spread a thin layer of masa harina dough onto each corn husk, top with meat filling and shredded cheddar cheese. Fold sides of the husk over filling and fold up the bottom. Place tamales upright in a steamer basket, steam for 1.5 hours until masa harina is cooked through. Serve hot with salsa, sour cream, or guacamole. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.